Today, I have something very different for you. So, I've got a DESTASH bundle blowout. Yes, it's a mega kit. It's going to be very, very different from anything that I've done before, but I hope that you will join me in checking this out and unbundling this beautiful, beautiful bundle kit. Now, early on, I will tell you this is a DESTASH and there's only one. It's one and done. So I'll tell you that early on so that you do not wait, because it's going to be first come, first served, right? So it's going to be sold super quickly, especially just wait till the end when I tell you the price. But first, let me show you what this is. This is a beautiful Doodlebug Designs Incorporated My Happy Place bundle. So what this is not only the bundle for the actual class with the instructions, but it also includes the extension pack. So, are we ready? Let's take a look. You're going to get the beautiful album. It is faux leather. It is stitched and it's easy clean on the inside and outside. It has a lovely window as well, and also a gorgeous spine with a metal book plate. It also includes, actually, you know what? Let's read this right here because that would probably be a lot easier. It has a D-ring. It's a D-ring album. It has the faux leather, easy clean exterior and interior. It holds up to 150 true 8x8 pages, guys. That's 300 photos or 75 page protectors. So it is a big, big album. It already includes 10 different pages. And here I'll show you what the pages are right here on the back. So you'll be using those to put this kit together. It also, of course, has the beautiful book plate, spine, as I showed you, etc. So that gorgeous album is going to be included. We are also going to get a set of the gorgeous Sunshine cardstock stickers from Doodlebug in the Beetle Black. So you're going to get that. And then this is the album kit, okay? This is the album kit itself. I will show you what the PDF, printed PDF with color step-by-step instruction looks like in a second. I don't want to open it because I want the recipient to get it just as beautiful as it has been packaged originally. But in here are all of the papers that you need in order to put the album together. So it is a stack full of paper, guys, a ton of papers. You're also going to get a pack of the beautiful Chit Chat, which contains 89 pieces, beautiful ephemera. You're also going to get the odds and ends, which is another 160 pieces of beautiful ephemera. So it's loaded. You're going to have so much left over as well. You're going to get the Doodle Pops, beautiful layered stickers. I mean, look at those. They're so beautiful. Then you're going to get 2 of the shape sprinkles. And if you're not familiar with the shape sprinkles, they're so much fun. They're like these super pretty, I don't know if you can see it, dimensional glossy stickers. So you're going to get 2 of those packs. And then you're also getting a roll of the beautiful washi tape. Okay, 12 yards in that washi tape. So you've got plenty for the project and then some. Now, in addition to that, I opted to get the extension pack when I got this, and this is the extension kit. So it's going to give you even more pages and layout, another ton, guys. I mean, it is a ton of paper included, including some that has already been sized. And then you're going to get even more goodies. I know it's crazy, right? 95 pieces of the bits and pieces. Plus, you're also going to get some page protectors. They're in there. I don't know if you can see them. You're also going to get twine. You're going to get sprinkles, 54 of the beautiful dimensional sprinkles, as well as the shape sprinkles, which I always think of like jelly beans because they're got that glossy, beautiful dimension to them. You're going to get a full pack of the mini brads in black, and you're going to get another shaker pop, and this one is the little fishies. They're so stinking adorable. So you're going to get all that. Now this kit okay, as it is worth over $200. However, that is not what you're going to be paying. But wait, there is more. Because in addition to that, I'm going to include as a free bonus on top of the phenomenal deal, you're going to get another humongous stack of 12 by 12. I don't even know. It might be 20, 40, 60, 80. There's probably 100 or maybe more pages in there, guys, of the collection as a bonus. So you got all of those beautiful papers in there as well. So you've got a mega overload of beautiful product. Now, the instructions are going to be step by step. So this is the album kit. So you're going to have all of your cutting guides. I'm just going to kind of quickly flip through some pages. Those are just some notes I have taken. You're going to get step by step here. Every page is going to be, it's going to show you where you're going to have your pops, your sprinkles. They're all marked label. They're all just beautifully done, guys, to create this gorgeous album. Then on top of that, remember the instructions are already included in the front there. You're going to also have the extension pack. It's a whole nother set of beautiful pages, layouts. Everything, again, is going to be color and beautifully displayed page by page, color by color. There's an entire book for you. Okay, now, again, there's only one. First come, first serve. So the first person to email me, I'll have my email here on screen, and I'll just do it by the timestamp. The first person to email me is going to get this kit, which is valued at over $200 for $120. So don't wait. I can't wait to hear from you, and I can't wait to, to have you just create and then have so much stuff left over to make tons more projects with this beautiful bundle kit. Thank you so much for watching this, guys. Can't wait to hear from you. Bye.